Hey, what is going on, everybody? This is Jonathan Ferrell coming back at you with another video. Show you guys how to upload your list of contacts from a CSV into GoHighLevel. So, what I typically do is I navigate to the Contacts tab right here, and you're going to see that there is a number of different actions that are at the top here. Now, the one that we're going to focus on right now is the Import Contact section. When you click on that, you can upload a file by either drag and dropping, or you can go ahead and search for a specific CSV file. In this case, I'm going to use the mock data tab right here. And I can go ahead and click on the next button. Now, what happens is you will see that this maps a couple different pieces for me all automatically. If it does not map, for instance, let's just say that we did not have a section in the CSV for the last name, you'll typically get a red triangle right here. All that you need to do is go in and select the specific contact field that you would like to map from that CSV list. Now, if for any reason you have a number of different data points and you do not want to bring those in, you'll notice right here that I have one unmatched column. You can click on the don't import data in unmatched column, and this section will not be brought into the CRM. So again, even if you have a number of different things and you don't want to bring them in, or maybe it's just a bunch of junk columns, you don't necessarily need to bring those in. Now, when I click on the next button, you'll see right here that there is what's called an import name, and I can create a list of these contacts from the import, and that will create what's called a smart list for me right here. That way I can access those contacts directly after they are in the system. Let's just say I have multiple lists that I'm loading in and I want to create a smart list from this upload. I can go ahead and create a list of contacts from this data. Couple other things here. If you accidentally mess up where you don't bring in their phone numbers and you want to update existing contact records, you can click on the advanced section, re-upload that CSV list, and then map out the phone records right there. And then in addition to that, you can also add a tag. And in addition to that, lastly, you can also add these contacts immediately to a workflow, such as maybe an assigned to user workflow or maybe a power dialer workflow. Now, typically, you don't necessarily have to do this if you have these created already. However, it is good to have those in the system. Okay, once you'll get that uploaded, you'll click on the checkbox, click on the submit button, and you will start to see on your bulk actions tab that this list is being uploaded and processed in the system. Sometimes it might take a minute, and that's okay. But you'll see right here, I now have this list of people who have been uploaded into the system. It is continuously uploading them as well. And then we also have what's called mock data, because that was the contact list that I created for them right here. So that is in the system, guys. I can now go ahead and start tagging these people individually. I can make calls, I can send emails, and put everything together from there.